Hey, Key babies and Key poppies. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for them videos that's coming up soon for y'all? I'm telling you, Halloween is going to be my month. And be my month to shine. Oh, are you ready? Now I just got out the shower. Of course, my hair is wet. So I'm going to cook us some sliders tonight. Are you ready? If you're ready, stay tuned. I thought somebody said something. So today, y'all, at work, I got sliders. And I'm going to make some Philly cheese sliders. So this is what I got planned for us to eat for dinner. I got to get my hair out my face. But y'all can see me. I miss y'all. I always miss y'all. Shout out to Cooking with Ned. I see you, sis. I see you growing, and glowing. Okay? Keep doing your thing. Friday's Kitchen. Keep doing your thing, sis. I see y'all out here. Y'all need to go ahead and run their playlist. I will leave them down below in the description box. Y'all need to run them playlists for them. They need to get monetized. Go check them out. I'm trying to be like them. That's what I'm trying to do. You know what I mean? Sliders. I can't do the bakery stuff. I might burn up some. But anyways, let's go in the kitchen. Doing 2 sets of sliders. Of course, you know, I think I leave my pans in the thing. I got them over there. I went to the $1.25 store because I had to give me some pans to put the sliders in. So I made some more egg rolls yesterday. No, I didn't do a video on it. I made taco egg rolls yesterday. So I'm going to use the same meat to put on the sliders. And Thootie is laying on the ring light. So if the ring light moves, just blame it on Thootie. He loves to lay on top of things. I don't know why. So this is the taco mix and I'm making steakums. I'm like, what is steakums? What is that? This that used to be like $4 in the store. Tell me why this $12.99, $11.99 in the store, but I got it on sale for $6. But still, it's expensive. Everything is going up. So, anyways, I'm gonna make these, and I'm gonna saute some onions, and I'm gonna put some Swiss cheese on top. So right now, I just got the meat on right now, and I'll just season it up just a little bit. Not too much. I said just a little bit. Hey, y'all like me in this all black? I'm cute. What it do? Cause I'm cute. Oh. Y'all know I'm always acting silly, so that's just me. So I seen this. I was like, I might do this instead of sauteing the onions. I ain't decided yet. Cause that'll be good in the sandwiches too. Cause it's steak. I'm gonna use this. I ain't get it for nothing. So if y'all want to use this or you cut up to some onions, you don't like onions, green peppers, you know, do what you feel you like. My little thing just came down a little bit too far. Let me pull it up a little bit. So I love Twinkies. Why do they have Twinkie popcorns? Mukbangers. Have y'all did these? Have y'all seen these in $1.25 store? They might be old, I don't know, but I'm gonna try this out. This is my little dessert after I eat my sliders. And these are my favorite snacks, y'all. I love pretzels of buffalo. That's the only thing I might eat hot. Y'all know I don't eat hot stuff. But these is good. And I was thinking about getting some beans and corn and eating what they got on there. See, I'm thinking about doing that too. Because that'd be a good little thing. Maybe add a little chicken on there. That's a good idea. So these are my pans. And I got the pans, of course, with the lid on there. Because Keisha don't want to wash no dishes. So cut them up for me. Shout out to you, Jessica. So, of course, if y'all don't know how sliders look, this is how sliders. These are pretzel sliders. With Hawaiian. It's, like I said, it's a remix. Hawaiian bread with pretzel on top. This is the taco ones yesterday. It's pico de gallo and their corn beans. This is how you make a taco, but I used a pico de gallo that had the corn in there. Why? Because it was on sale. It was like the manager special. So that's what I got with another thing of pico de gallo, because pico de gallo was like $5. And the other one was $2. So this is what I got. Okay, so I have my The taco ones with the extra taco meat, I already got it on the sliders. And I'm about to add the cheese to it. I don't know if y'all can even see me. Put it over a little bit. This is Kroger's cheese. The Swiss, and I normally have like 2 for $5. The best. I make this macaroni and cheese. Any type of things dealing with cheese, I love this. And I use the 4 cheese one too as well.
In the drop top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that boy bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex around you on the.
So here goes the sliders. They're ready to go in the oven. I'm just gonna brush a little bit on there. Like, you know. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for at least like maybe like 7 minutes, 10 minutes, not that long. I had to add the pickles with the ranch inside of the steakums. If y'all ever had White Castle burgers, that's the type of taste that I'm looking for when I eat these. Y'all, if y'all White Castle burgers, I forgot what the other one's called. Crystals, I think. I don't know what. It's another place that's kind of like White Castle, but it's not. Y'all see them pickles in there? Stop playing with it.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you.
Y'all see that? Right here, y'all, I'm just putting extra cheese on top of that thing. These is gonna be fire with that butter. Okay, so my first sliders are already out. These are the taco ones. I told y'all they look good. See that butter? Okay, so the first ones, the taco ones, is already out. Okay? So I'm going to get a paper plate because what I say, I don't wash no dishes. I'm not playing. So I'm going to try the taco one with y'all and see how that tastes. And then once the other slider is ready, the steakum slider, I'm going to try that one. Look at my little slider. And it has a lot of meat on there. Of course it did. I knew it was going to have a lot of meat. So I'm going to try it. Oh my God. They're good. Mmm. Look at like that bread at work. Or is that the taco meat? Mmm. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'll be right back. These are the other ones, y'all. The steakums. They look good. So I have both of them sitting here. So I'm going to try a steakum. And I'm going to let y'all go ahead and go enjoy y'all dinner. Whenever y'all watching this, y'all need to go get y'all some sliders, baby. Or maybe I'm just late to the party. It could be just me late to the party. Look at all the extra meat and stuff on the side. That's what I'm saying. Oh, look at that, y'all. The pickles and green pepper and onion, and the bread is so soft. So soft. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. And make these. Oh my God. I'm about to go enjoy my meal, y'all. Another cooking video will be soon near you. Be safe. I got stuff on my lip. Y'all supposed to tell me that.